The Keychron K3 Pro. So I recently built a new gaming setup. I needed a keyboard in that gaming setup whilst I wait for a more sort of premium keyboard to be built. So I just needed something budget. And yeah, this sort of ticks a lot of the boxes. I didn't want something with the typical gamery look. It had to have a clean and minimal look. I just don't like keyboards that look overly gamery. I also ideally wanted a keyboard with a 75% layout. So I came across the Keychron K3 Pro. It's a low profile mechanical keyboard, and for the price, I actually think it's very good value. I have the red switches on mine, which are linear and are supposed to be considered a low sound level, but they are still a little loud as expected with most mechanical keyboards. It has a USB-C port for connectivity and charging, so it can be used completely wirelessly. You can also connect up to 3 different Bluetooth devices. There's a switcher on the top to change between Windows and Mac OS. The build quality is okay. It's not exactly premium, but I do think that the price reflects that. If you're looking for a slim, low-profile mechanical keyboard that's good for pretty much a mix of everything and don't want to spend more than $100, this is a fantastic choice.